Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series week 1, the absolute basics. This week is all about getting comfortable. We'll explore the interface, understand how Final Cut Pro organizes files, and make our very first edits on the timeline. Day 1, your first look at Final Cut Pro's interface. Opening Final Cut Pro for the first time can feel overwhelming, but it's really just 5 simple windows. In the next 3 minutes, we'll demystify the screen so you know exactly where everything is. Let's break it down. In the top left, you have the sidecar. This is where your library, event, and projects are. To the right of that is your browser. This is where all your clips, photos, and music will live once you import. To the right of that is the viewer. This is your TV screen. It shows you whatever clip you have selected or what's currently on your timeline. Below the viewer is the most important part, the timeline. This is your canvas, where you'll build your video story by arranging your clip. And finally, in the top right is the inspector. Think of this as your control panel. When you select a clip, title, or effect, the inspector is where you'll go to make adjustments like changing the size, color, or volume. The sidecar: browser, viewer, timeline, inspector. That's it. Once you know what each window does, the whole program becomes much less intimidating. Now you know your way around. In the next video, we'll learn how Final Cut Pro organizes your files using libraries and events, which is the key to never losing your work. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 2.